You like that play toy, huh? You were a naughty girl. Yes. You have a lot of determination in your world, huh? You're a go-getter. And you're like your daddy, huh? Are you a good boy like Javi? I think you're a good boy like Havoc. Yeah. You're an awesome boy, huh? Are you an awesome boy? Yes, you are, Bravi. Good sit. He's a good boy. Yes, you are. You're a good boy. Nice sit, Bravi. Good sit. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Nice sit, Bravi. Good sit. No bite. No bite. Oh, good sit back there. What a good sit, Bravi. What a good girl. Good sit. Bravi. No bite. No bite. 9. Fui. 9. 9. Get your belly rubbed. 9. Here. Here, relax. And get your belly. Get your belly rub. Get your belly rub. That feels good, huh? Does that feel good? Yes, it does. Yeah, that feels nice. No bite. I feel strong now. Hello, Soupy. Did you come to see the puppies today? Hey, Soup. What you think about them puppies? They got big, didn't they, Soupy? Bert's discovering they eat the kitties. Well, this is the, I'd say, second or third time Soupy decided to come visit them. He's being good. He laid down to show him a submissive stance so that they felt invited to come and meet him. But yet at the same time, he feels a little overbeared when he found out how big they really are. As they don't yet know their strength. Huh. He's a good boy, Soupy. You can't just run away. Puppy, puppy, puppies. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? You came right to me, didn't you? I would figure her to stay on the... Gentle Soupy. Easy, Soup. Easy, Soup. Soup, you be gentle. He's a baby. Soupy. Easy. Come on, Soup. Come on, Soupy. 9. Easy. Attaboy. Good boy, Soupy. Even Soupy knows German. Huh, Soupy? Supernova. My baby. I think these two are about ready for their meal. Okay, we're not going to miss this. Yeah, they get very slippery on the paper, too. They're still just getting their new legs yet. Strengthening them. There you go. Hello. Hello, handsome boy. Hello, my handsome boy. She's going nape on you again. I think Soupy's coming to rough. He wants to join in. Easy, Soupy. Soup. Super. I think that's enough, Soup. Come on out. You're no monkey. Come on, Soupy. Soupy! Soupy! Attaboy. Come here, Soup. Come here. Where's my Soupy? Where's my Soupy? Come here, Soup. Come on. My Soupy. Those my puppies. My puppies. Puppies. You sit. Sit. You sit. Oh, we want to watch Super again. Soupy, you need to be nice to my puppies. They're babies. You're much older. I'm not always as patient. My Soupy baby. Yes. I think he's jealous of them. Why is she taking all my time with you? Alright, we're on to go make the meal. We'll come back to it when we have some food for you two. Until then, take a rest.